Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing this rose gold brown reddish smoky eye. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe and I hope you enjoy. So the first thing I'm going to do is take some Scotch tape, which I learned from Casey Holmes on YouTube, and put it on the corners of my eyes, angling up towards the brow. This will just give a clean, crisp line. Next I'm taking a warm brown shade from the Morphe palette by Jaclyn Hill, and I'm going to do windshield wiper motions in my crease with a big fluffy brush. This is going to act as a transition shade. Next I'm going to be taking this deep burgundy color, and again I'm going back and forth in my crease in windshield wiper motions to really blend it out. There's a lot of blending in this look because you're working with some darker shades, and if you don't blend, it will just look like a mess. I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and just blending that out, again so there's no harsh lines. And I keep blending, as you can see. It takes a while. When you think you've blended enough, just blend more. Next I'm taking a dark brown shadow in the palette, and I'm just doing this on the outer corner, the outer V of my eye, and also a little bit into the crease. This is just going to deepen up the look and smoke it out a little bit more. Things tend to look a little bit messy until you're finished with the eye look, and that's when everything really comes together. So if it's looking a little bit messy, don't worry, just keep working, and eventually it'll turn out into something beautiful, or we hope. If not, it's just makeup and you could wipe it off and start all over again, which is the fun part. So again, I'm just blending this out with a fluffy brush. As you can see, I'm blending it into the crease. I'm just making sure that it's all smoothed out and there's no harsh lines. So I'm taking a flat brush with some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to go into the inner corner of my eye and onto my lid. This is going to act as a primer and also cancel out any of the other color that we got on the lid while we were blending. And really take your time with this because you really want to carve out that area. Because the better you carve it out, the better the color will look when you put it on top. Just going to do the same thing to the other eye. This is a little bit tedious, but you really want it to be nice and smooth, especially when you work up to that crease. You don't want it to be jagged or rushed. Next I'm taking this rose gold color from the Jaclyn Hill palette again. I'm going to place that right on top where we put that concealer. Concealer is just going to make everything look way more vibrant. I also just sprayed my brush, which I didn't show, with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. This is just going to make that pigment look a little bit more glittery and shiny, and it's just going to make it more stronger. That's not the word, but you know what I mean. Next I am taking the blending brush that we used at first to put in that light brown, and I'm just going to pick up a little bit more of that color, and I am going to blend everything out. You want to make sure that you blend in that glittery shadow with the outer corner, just so it looks like seamless and there's not a harsh line separating the two. Next I'm taking a pencil brush, and I realized I wanted this to be a little bit more smoky, so I'm just taking a pencil brush with that dark brown shadow and putting it into my crease and then blending it out with a fluffy brush. Next, I'm taking off the tape, which looks really painful, but it's not that painful. And then I took a coffee break, and now I'm taking the Benefit Professional Pearl Primer. This one's tinted pink and it's supposed to give a luminosity, but I don't really see a difference between this one and the original Professional. I actually prefer the original Professional because it has a little bit of a tint to it. I feel like it looks better on the skin. Then I prime my face again with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and I'm taking my L'Oreal True Match Lumi. I'm in the color N3. I also take my damp beauty blender and apply it with the beauty blender. I really like this foundation. It does have a little bit of a higher coverage than the L'Oreal Cushion foundation that I used in my last video, which is great for when you're doing a eye look like this, because if you have flawless skin, the eye look's just gonna look better. I'm a little bit on the drier side, so this foundation is also good for that. Next, I'm taking Tarte Shape Tape, and I am highlighting all the points of my face, my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and I also do on the sides of my mouth. I feel like it helps lift up the mouth a little bit. And then I'm just blending that in with the beauty blender. Sometimes I find that using a brush to blend in concealer is easier than using the beauty blender, because as you just saw, it was really kind of hard to get into the inner corners of my eyes, especially when your eye makeup is already done, because you don't want to mess up the eye makeup, but you definitely have to get into that inner corner. Next, I'm just taking a translucent powder. This one's by Laura Mercier, and I am just going over all the areas that I put the concealer, so under my eyes, on my nose, forehead, and chin. Also my smile lines, because that's where foundation tends to settle for me. I then take a big fluffy brush and I just brush that all away and put the rest of it all over my face. Next, I'm taking a bronzer. I'm just going to do the high points of my face, which is my forehead. I contour on my forehead because my forehead's pretty big. And so to contour on my forehead, I also contour a little bit under my cheekbones, nothing too crazy. I don't love a harsh contour on me, but I just blend that in as best as I could underneath the cheekbone, and then I just blend it upwards. Just gonna make this right. And then I just take what's left on my brush and I go underneath my chin, and then down the sides of my nose. And I take this is just a peachy pink blush with a little bit of shimmer. And then I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Ebony. This is a little dark for me. I usually don't use this dark of a brow, but my hair was a little bit darker and then I just redyed it, so it's not really matching my brow. brows very well. And this takes, honestly, eyebrows I think take the longest out of any look. And this is super sped up as well, so you can just imagine how long it takes. I mean, I'm sure you do your brows too. Not so good brow. Then oh good, I skipped the other brow because that would have been forever. I just set them with some clear brow gel. Off camera, I did my eyeliner. My eyes are uneven. One's a little bit more hooded than the other, so it does take me a little while to do a winged eyeliner because I have to make one thicker than the other one in order for my eyes to look the same size, if that makes sense. So I did it off camera. And then I just tightlined in my upper waterline. Now I'm taking a pencil brush in that same dark brown and I'm just going underneath my eyes to smoke them out a little bit. It is so good. It's probably my favorite drugstore mascara ever. And I just keep on them. Close up the eyelid. And just do some bottom mascara. This is Maybelline's the Clump Crusher. I really love this because the wand is plastic and it's like spiky, so it really separates your lower lashes really well. And the wand is kind of skinny. Now I'm doing my lips, and again my lips are also uneven, so I have to overdraw them in a way where they end up looking even. So I'm going to speed this up, and then I actually just skip it, and I show you when they're done with the duck face because that's appropriate. And then I take my Smashbox primer water and I set the look. And then after that, I like to do my highlight after I set my face because I just think it makes it prettier and it makes the effect a little bit brighter. So this is the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit and it's my favorite one. Then I just take my hair down and pose a little bit, and yeah, that's really it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe, and if you want to see another look, just let me know. Here's the look in natural light, standing by a window, and I hope you really like it. Thanks for watching.